If you want to learn how to do group scheduling on Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can create a group event, set your availability, and share your booking link with the people who need it. This is super useful if you're hosting webinars, team meetings, group interviews, workshops, training sessions, or any event where multiple invitees can join the same time slot. Group scheduling on Calendly helps you stay organized and makes it easy for people to book without back and forth messages. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where you'll start building a new event type from scratch. Click Create, then select Event Type. Calendly gives you different options depending on the kind of meeting you want to set up. But for group scheduling, you want to choose Group. This tells Calendly that more than one person can book the same event, up to the limit you set. After that, enter your event name. Pick something clear and easy to understand, like Team Q&A, webinar session, or group coaching call. Then set the duration of the event. This is important because it controls how long each booking will last. You can choose the length that works best for your meeting, whether that's 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. Next, set the maximum number of invitees. This is one of the most important parts of group scheduling because it determines how many people can join each time slot. If you want a small group, keep the number low. If you want a larger session, increase the limit so more people can register. After that, configure your availability. This is where you tell Calendly when people are allowed to book your event. You can choose specific days and time ranges that fit your schedule, and this helps make sure your group event only appears when you're actually available. Take your time here and make sure the availability matches the times you want people to see. Once that's set, choose the meeting location. Calendly usually gives you a few options depending on how you want to run the event. You might use a video conferencing link, a phone call, or another meeting location depending on your setup. Pick the option that works best for your group event so attendees know exactly how to join. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. This saves your group event type and takes you back to your dashboard. From there, you'll want to share it with others, so click Share. Calendly will generate a booking link that you can send by email, text, social media, or anywhere else you want people to book from. Copy the link and share it with your invitees so they can choose an available time and sign up for the group session. And that's it. You've just set up group scheduling on Calendly in a few simple steps. Now, you can collect multiple bookings for the same event, keep your schedule organized, and make it much easier for people to join your sessions. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.